Now we will like to conclude this course. Data means raw facts which have been gathered about someone or something. When the data is processed and unnecessary data is discarded, it becomes useful to the users and it is known as information. Databases form the backbone of the modern information management systems. A database is an organized collection of related data, and the database is mostly stored electronically in a computer system. There are some common types of database types such as relational database, NoSQL database, object-oriented database, graph database, time series database, NewSQL database, and in-memory database. Each type of database has its own strengths and its own weaknesses. Whether it is structured data, flexible content, complex data, unstructured data, semi-structured data, there is a suitable database type for every situation. It is not that we can use a single type of database for every situation or for every type of data. As the technology is changing day by day, we can expect more specialized databases solutions to emerge. That is, we can expect and we should expect more specialized databases which we can see in future. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.